Oh, today we'll be talking about measurement of distance. Don't forget, when we are talking about measurement of distance, we are also talking about measurement of displacement. Distance and displacement, they are really the same, except that one has direction, the other does not have direction. Distance does not really care about the direction, but displacement cares about the direction. The SI unit of distance or displacement is meter. The SI unit, that is international system or system international of SI unit, is meter. So it is represented by small letter m. Can you see? Small letter m, not capital M. Take note. So that is why you always see kilometer, centimeter, decimeter, millimeter, all this nanometer, and all of that. So what instruments are used? There are many instruments. Even your tape rule, the one used by tailors, measure how tall or how fat somebody can be. So all those ones, they are also instruments used. So the instruments used, we have the meter rule, we have the micrometer screw gauge. This micrometer screw gauge looks like a G, capital letter G. So we have vernier caliper. This vernier caliper looks like gun. The way it looks like gun. So you know meter rule. Meter rule is just a straight rule. It's like a ruler. Meter rule is just something like this. So it starts from 0 most times to 100. 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. 0 centimeter. So when you are measuring, you measure from the beginning, 0. So this 100 centimeter, this 0 to 100 is 1 meter. The whole of this distance here, the measurement, the distance is 1 meter. So your average tape rule, the tape rule you use in the lab, is usually 1 meter. Remember, 100 centimeter make 1 meter. I know you were taught in primary school. 100 centimeter is the same thing as 1 meter. So another one we use is micrometer screw gauge. That one looks like this. Like a kind of G shape. I know you will see it in some textbooks. When I have time, I'll post it for you to see. Looks like this. So then it has some numbers written here. Then vernier caliper, that one looks like a gun. Looks like this. Looks like a gun. Don't worry, on a good day you will see it. It has some numbers written. That's vernier caliper. Now don't forget, I said the unit is meter. So which means you can be given a question in centimeter. You can be given a question in kilometer. So you must know your conversions in science. If you want to really do well in physics, you must understand conversions. Centimeter, if you want to convert it to meter, you divide by 100. Because this centi that is here means divided by 100. 1 divided by 100 is 0.01. So 0.01 meter. So which means 1 centimeter is the same thing as 0.01 meter. Kilometer, this kilo here, kilo means 1,000. That is 1,000. 1,000 meter. So which means 1,000 meter is the same thing as 1 kilometer. So anytime you see kilo means 1,000. Anytime you see centi means divided by 100. Anything divided by 100, that's 1 divided by 100, that's 0.01. Then micro is divided by 1 million. Micro means divided by 1 million. Divided by 1 million. And if you divide 1 by 1 million, what will you get? You will get 0.001. You put 6 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 meter. 0.0001 meter. That is 6 zeros behind 1. Then if you have millimeter, mm, millimeter. You see this milli here? Milli means divided by 1000. 1 divided by 1000 will give you 0. How many zeros do you have in 1000? You have 3 zeros. 0 and 0. Then you put 1. So which means 1 millimeter is the same thing as 0.001 meter. Take note, when you are dividing, the zeros will be at the back. But when you are multiplying, the zeros will be forward. Like in the case of this kilometer now, the zeros are forward because you are multiplying. Kilo means multiply by 1000. You understand me? So to get 1 meter, so this is kilo, this is meter. This is centi, this is meter. This is micro, this is meter. This is milli, this is meter.